Developing your palate and expanding your taste for different flavors is an exciting journey that can significantly enhance your culinary experience. Here are some effective ways to embark on that flavorful adventure. Number 1. Experiment with a variety of foods. Explore international cuisines. Venture beyond your familiar cuisine and try dishes from different countries. Experience the vibrant flavors of Thai curries, Mexican salsas, and Indian spices. Sample different cooking techniques. Roasting, grilling, sautéing, steaming, or braising can transform the taste and texture of ingredients. Experiment with these techniques to unlock new flavor profiles. Number 2. Slow down and savor. Analyze the taste journey. Pay attention to how flavors evolve from the first bite to the aftertaste. Notice how flavors develop, interact, and linger on your palate. Take note of texture. Texture greatly affects the eating experience. Notice the crunchiness of vegetables, the creaminess of sauces, or the tenderness of meats. Texture can enhance or contrast flavors, adding depth to your meal. Number 3. Taste mindfully. Engage your senses. Observe the color, smell the aroma, and appreciate the appearance of the food before tasting it. Engaging multiple senses can enhance your perception of flavors. Analyze flavor components. Break down complex dishes into individual flavor components. Identify the sweetness of fruits, the acidity of citrus, and the bitterness of dark chocolate, or the umami of soy sauce. 4. Practice food pairings. Contrast and complement. Pair contrasting flavors to create balance and excitement. Try combining spicy and sweet, creamy and tangy, or earthy and bright flavors. Complementary pairings like lemon and fish or tomato and basil can also create harmonious combinations. Explore regional combinations. Discover traditional food pairings from different regions. For example, explore the classic combinations of tomato and mozzarella in Italian cuisine, or peanut butter and jelly in American cuisine. 5. Expand your seasoning arsenal. Dabble in herbs and spices. Experiment with a wide range of herbs and spices to enhance flavors. Explore the warmth of cinnamon, the freshness of cilantro, the earthiness of cumin, or the floral notes of lavender. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with each flavor. Try new condiments. Explore the world of condiments like hot sauces, chutneys, mustards, or infused oils. These additions can bring new dimensions to your dishes. 6. Attend tastings and culinary events. Wine or beer tastings. Attend tastings to learn about the intricate flavors and aromas of different wines or beers. Experience how food pairings can complement or contrast with different beverages. Explore local food festivals or farmers markets to taste a variety of artisanal products. Engage with vendors to learn about their ingredients, production methods, and flavor profiles. 7. Keep a food journal. Document flavor experiences. Record your tasting experiences, noting specific flavors, textures, and combinations that you enjoyed or found interesting. Reflect on your findings and use them as a reference for future experiments. Track personal preferences. Take note of flavors or ingredients you're particularly drawn to or those you'd like to explore further. Use your journal as your tool to track your progress and growth as your palate expands. 8. Engage in discussion. Cooking classes or workshops. Join cooking classes or workshops where you can interact with instructors and fellow participants. Engage in discussions about flavor profiles, ingredient combinations, and cooking techniques. Online food communities. Participate in food forums, social media groups, or online communities where food enthusiasts and experts share their experiences, recipes, and flavor discoveries. Engaging in conversations can provide new perspectives and ideas. Number 9. Learn from experts. Cookbooks and culinary literature. Explore cookbooks that focus on flavor development, seasoning techniques, or specific cuisines. Dive into culinary literature that delves into the science and art of flavors. Culinary documentaries and shows. Watch culinary shows or documentaries hosted by renowned chefs or food experts. They often provide insights into flavor combinations, cooking techniques, and culinary traditions from around the world. Remember, developing your palate is a continuous process of exploration and refinement. Be open to trying new foods, ingredients, and techniques. Embrace the joy of discovery as you expand your taste horizons and develop a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of flavors that the culinary world has to offer.